Hey everyone, welcome back to Gastromania. Today we are going to be presenting a simple yet delicious recipe, fermented rice pork ribs. This recipe is incredibly easy to make and only takes less than 20 minutes to make after marinating the pork ribs. Do take note that this recipe contains alcohol and pork, so it's not suitable for those with allergies or those who are Muslim. Without further ado, let's get right into this simple and fast recipe. First, let's prepare the pork ribs. Rinse the pork ribs and get rid of the dirty water. I'm using about 500 grams of pork ribs. They are cut into smaller pieces for easy eating later on. Let's marinate the pork ribs beforehand. 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch. This will make it crispier later on. Two tablespoons of light soy sauce for some umami flavor. One tablespoon of cooking wine to help us get rid of the gamey pork smell. Mix them evenly and make sure that the marinade coats every piece of pork rib. Cling wrap the mixing bowl and then refrigerate it for about 2 hours. This will make sure that the seasonings infuse well into the pork ribs. For the sauce, it's really simple. We just need fermented rice, and we need about 3 shallots, but they're not shown in this video. And lastly, some tomato ketchup. And with that, let's get cooking. Take out the meat 30 minutes before frying. Heat up the oil in a wok until it gets sufficiently hot. Use medium-high heat and fry half the batch first. Do not fry the entire batch together as there's too much meat and it will cause the oil temperature to fall too much. This results in an uneven cooking process and the middle may still be raw while the outside becomes burnt. Always take note of this when frying large batches of meat. Remove the first batch when it gets slightly yellow and set them aside. Double fry the pork ribs at high heat for about 2 minutes. This will make it much more crispier than if you only fry it once. Remove the meat and set them aside when its color becomes brown. Wow, this color already looks extremely inviting. The smell is extremely fragrant because of the light soy sauce we marinated it with earlier. Next, let's prepare the sauce. Fry 3 sliced shallots until they get fragrant. Then, add the prepared ketchup once it gets fragrant. I'm using about 2 tablespoons of ketchup here. Add 2 tablespoons of fermented rice. Make sure to get even amounts of the fermented rice as well as the soaking liquid. Mix everything evenly and let it reach a boil. Then, boil it for about 2 minutes while mixing continuously. This is to allow the alcohol to evaporate. Taste the sauce and adjust it to your preference. It's a little bit too sour for me. I prefer it to be slightly sweeter, so I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then we can add in the prepared pork ribs. Mix the sauce evenly with the meat. And this dish is ready to be served. There are a few suitable garnish that can be added: cilantro, spring onions, or green onions. All of them are great for removing the meaty taste after eating so much meat. Ah, the smell is absolutely inviting and the sour taste is sure to increase the appetite of your guests. sure to get them coming back for more bowls of rice. We have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed this recipe, do help us by liking this video. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing for our weekly recipes. Follow us on Instagram to get updated on our latest activities. And I'll catch you in my next video.